Welcome to my channel. Today we learn birds' name, spelling, and sounds. See full video and learn carefully. Are you ready? So let's go.
Eagle,
Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle.
parrot,
Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot.
crow,
Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow.
hummingbird,
Hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. Hummingbird.
toucan,
Toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan.
owl,
Owl. O-W-L. Owl.
pigeon,
Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon.
hen,
Hen. H-E-N. Hen.
rooster,
Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster.
duck,
Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck.
woodpecker,
Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker.
peacock,
Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock.
flamingo,
Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo.
ostrich,
Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich.
Thanks for watching, kids. See you in next video. Subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.